amongst all of these EcoFlow products, which one is your favorite? You only have to pick one.
That's a tricky question.
Right, I know, but because they're all... Hi, Katech Buddies! I'm Harold Bautista here again, your host for H Factor, and we are now here sa EcoFlow event here at Encanta Cafe, Bar, and Restaurant sa Timog, Quezon City. Now, we're gonna go inside the event, or we're gonna be talking to a lot of experts kung ano ba yung mga product na i-feature nila dito sa event na to. Once again, EcoFlow is a world-renowned brand about backup power and energy technology. So let's go inside and check out the products. Wow, that's a lot of countries, right? Right, but congratulations for that. Hi, Katech Buddies. We're now here at an event in Quezon City. This is an event of EcoFlow Philippines, and we have here Sir June Gatchalian from EcoFlow, and he's going to be talking about this latest product of EcoFlow.
Okay, so we have here the Delta 3 power station. So for Delta 3 power station, of course, it's the successor of the previous na Delta 2. So we have here the power station of Delta na kayang magbigay ng output of 1,800 watts na standard pa yun na output. So what more if it has the X-Boost feature, which allows you na mag-facilitate ng surge power that can entertain or even plug in higher na wattage ng mga appliances. And then of course, as for Delta 3, for the entire actually lineup of EcoFlow power stations, you can plug in your solar panels for you to have continuous supply of power source. You can, as you can see, it's plugged in sa AC outlet natin, so it can charge continuously. And for Delta series is pwede kang mag-install or pwede kang magkabit ng extra battery for you to have continuous supply and extended runtime for charging your your appliances.
Up to ilan po yung pwede nating i-stock up?
Okay. For this particular power station is we have the Delta 3. So if we're going to have yung stock up natin yung mga extra battery is we have another variant which is the Delta 3 Plus. Okay, so yun yung pwede ka magkabit ng extra battery. But for Delta 3 is we have here for the Delta 3 is ano lang siya, standalone lang siya.
Standalone.
For the Delta 3 Plus, that's the power station that you can connect extra batteries. Up to 2 extra batteries yung tipong kaya niyang ipatong dito sa
And wala pong problema kung hot or cold appliances yung gagawin.
Yes, no issue with any temperature related of the appliances that you can plug in. Kahit pang malamig, kahit pang mainit for heater or for even cold retention or pang ice maker, pwedeng i-plug in with the Delta 3. No limits in terms of plugging your appliance as long as you can make sure na yung wattage na ipa-plug in mo is pasok pa rin dun sa capacity nung Delta 3.
And we are now here on a different area ng EcoFlow event dito sa Quezon City. So we have here Mr. Meldrick Cheng, one of the game masters of the event, and he's going to be telling us about the River 3 UPS. So Sir Meldrick, thank you po for agreeing to talk about this new product of EcoFlow. All right, Harold Bautista po again.
Nice
Salamat po, sir. Now, sir, can you tell us more about the River 3 UPS and what does it do?
Sure. So the River 3 UPS is our newest small form factor portable power station. So it has a 245 watt hour capacity and 300 watt power output. But what's really special about this specific unit is the UPS functionality, meaning within 10 milliseconds, you can switch over from AC power from the wall straight to being powered from your portable power station.
Hey.
So I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this UPS concept, no?
Yes, of course. Kasi 'di ba sa mga bahay natin may mga computer set tayo eh.
Yes,
yung traditional is yung UPS na medyo luma. Dati nga hindi pa UPS yung gamit.
AVR pa.
Yung mga kaidaran natin diyan, mga Katech Buddies. So ito po, this is the newer version.
Yes,
kumbaga new generation ng UPS.
New generation. So aside from being a UPS, it's basically a supercharged battery. So let's say have a small form or a low power computer. Pag nag-brown out, automatic it will switch to the UPS.
Gano'ng kabilis yun, sir?
10 milliseconds.
10 milliseconds.
So that's important because within 10 milliseconds, the computer won't even recognize it was shut off. So it's the computer seamless switch over.
That's very nice. That's very
Yes,
nice. Sir, I have a question. So this can be used sa bahay. This can be used sa mga offices.
Correct.
This can be used sa mga stores. Tama?
Correct. So what's important is the 300 watt output. So as long as the appliance or gadget can handle that kind of power, should be good to go.
Or is there a way for us to see how it works, sir? Kung pwede ba natin
Mahugay. So right now, this whole setup is being powered strictly from this. It's a plug into the wall. This
So wala
monitor.
siyang wala siyang extra.
Yeah.
So imagine guys, this whole unit here, right here, it powers up this station.
Yeah.
Diba? Wala siyang direct current running from direct line of the electricity.
Yes.
So that's a very good aspect of this UPS. This is again EcoFlow River 3 UPS.
Yes, pa.
Right?
Yes,
Well,
pa.
thank you so much, Mr. Meldrick Cheng, for agreeing to talk to us about this new product of EcoFlow.
Pleasure's all mine.
And we have here Miss Sharon from EcoFlow brand, and we have here the different EcoFlow products, and she's going to be talking about what is EcoFlow as a brand. So hi, Miss Sharon, thank you so much for agreeing.
Hi, Haram.
To talking to
I'm
us.
from the global headquarters of EcoFlow. So you see, we've launched our the newest generation of products today, and I'm happy to introduce our new products and also our brand to all of you, all the new consumers, as well as our old friends together here.
Wow, thank you so much. Now, can you tell us, Miss Sharon, what is EcoFlow? Who is EcoFlow, and what do you guys do?
So I bet many of you might have never heard of us before. So we are a new energy provider for users for all over the world, and we are seeking to provide simple and straightforward power experience for users from all around the world.
Right. When did you guys start it?
We founded in 2017, and we actually launched our first generation product, the River series, in the same year we founded. And fast forward to the 2019, we've launched our second series of products, the Delta. And the new generation of the product interesting today is actually the third generation of River and Delta. And we've made a great progress in this product, including their performance, safety, security. So I think they will provide a greater experience for all of you.
Right. Wow, in such a short period of time, you guys are able to grow that well, right? So that's a very, amazing feat to achieve for a brand, right? And right now, how many countries does EcoFlow operate?
We've been powered for 5 million users in over 100 countries and regions from all around the world. Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of countries, right? For a brand, but congratulations for that
Yeah,
achievement.
absolutely.
Now, here in the Philippines, we do understand that EcoFlow just started a few years ago, right? So what are your
Very young.
what are your main plans for the Philippine market, and how do you guys look forward to helping the people here in the Philippines?
Okay, so from the marketing side, I think we're going to do as much as we can to localize all of our assets as well as the way we promote our products to our consumers. You see, maybe in the future we're going to provide some assets mainly Filipino, excluding the English version. And for the products part, we're also doing our best to trying to navigate the needs of consumers local in Philippines, so that we could design our products in the favor of their needs, their favors. Yeah.
Wow, well, thank you so much for that. Now, we have here a lot of EcoFlow products. Now, amongst all of these EcoFlow products, which one is your favorite? You only have to pick one.
That's a tricky question.
Right, I know,
Oh
but
my
because
God.
they're all amazing.
I have to choose one.
You only have to choose one.
I only have to. You see, I'm a great fan of outdoor adventure. So for
Right.
me, I would choose a product that is compact and also easy to use with the top performance, so that I could either use it at home or use it in outdoor. So actually, for me, it's a very hard choice.
Right.
To do that.
Right.
I will choose this one.
This one is the EcoFlow.
Yeah, it's the River 3 Max Plus. You see, this is actually the River 3 Plus, and with the extra battery, so it could provide us with better performance.
Wow, so you can stock them up.
Yes, but it's kind of heavy.
Yeah, you don't have to, but yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can split it up.
Yeah.
And maybe at home, I will only use this one. In the outdoor, when I want to cook outside outside, make some food outside, have, you know, a camping adventures with my family, I will take them both. So
Wow.
that it could like support us for all day.
Wow, so this is portable, compact, and you can bring it anywhere, especially for those people who are always on the go.
Yeah.
Right? The content creators out there, the people who are into camping,
Yeah.
right? During the pandemic, that was a big thing.
Yes, and I think it is able to support like more than 90% of home appliances at your home. So don't worry, you could use it for all of your home appliances.
Wow. Well, thank you so much again,
Yeah.
Ms. Sharon, for agreeing to talk to us. It's a
you.
pleasure meeting you, and best of
you.
luck to EcoFlow Philippines.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. So there you go, Sir Joey. Thank you so much for agreeing to talk about the RiverFlow Max 3 Plus. Can you tell us more about the product? Ano pong target market niya? What does it do?
Okay. Technically, the River 3 Max Plus is almost the same with the River 3 Plus. The difference is it's bundled with the extra battery 600, which will result to Sorry, I did a demo. So if I'll just attach it with the extra battery, it's now around 800 watts capacity.
Wow, 800 watts.
Yes.
That's a lot. Okay.
So because the extra battery is 600 watts plus 200 plus for the River 3 Plus, so total of 800 plus.
So, for example, for just this unit, sir, how many charge does a regular cell phone can get?
Oh, medyo marami if a regular cell phone. Because it's already assuming the cell phone is 5,000 milliamperes, so it's around maybe 200. Sorry, I'll just do the math. So times 10 is 50,000. So around 6.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
So,
Because normally if you'll use this for your modems, you could take around 24 hours for it as well.
wow, that's a lot. Alright.
So it's just the River 3 Plus alone, ha? It does not include the extra battery pa. So if you will include the extra battery, it will give you more time.
right. Sir Joey, so your target market here, who are they?
So for the River 3 Max Plus is households that wants to do, for example, personal home backup for work from home setups. So we could use this. Also, the target market are the campers, overlanders, and the one who wants to just for a small period of time. For example, here in Metro Manila, we have a lot of brownouts, experienced brownouts. So we could use this as well.
Wow. So this is perfect for those content creators that are always on the
Yes.
go, those people who are working from home, the freelancers, those who love camping during the pandemic.
Correct.
That was a big thing, right? So, and also from those of you who are home buddies, right? This is perfect backup power for you. And just like what Sir Joey said, you can charge a lot of devices using this backup power. Now, thank you so much, Sir Joey,
you so much.
for agreeing to talk about the EcoFlow device. This is River 3
Max
Plus.
Plus.
So we are now in a different area of the EcoFlow event. We have here Sir Jaco Reyes again to explain more about the different products that they have here at EcoFlow Philippines. So, Sir Jaco, thank you again. Can you please tell us more about these products?
Well, over here, this big thing over here is the EcoFlow Glacier. So this is a 3-in-1 device. It has an ice maker and it is a fridge and freezer. Yes, fridge and freezer mainly because it has dual zoning thanks to this. And right here we have the Wave 2. This is an air conditioner or a fan and heater. So it has a battery right here. You can also charge it via solar and via AC. You can use it as a regular AC as well.
Wow. And what's the maximum time for this one that they can use it?
Well, it can actually output around 16 degrees Celsius of cold air.
Oh, okay. So this is not like powered by a backup battery.
Well, it is right here. So it has its own battery. In terms of the runtime, you're looking at around 12 hours.
12 hours of runtime
Yes.
for this external air conditioning unit. Right. That's very good. It's very long actually, right?
Very long, pretty long. And then lastly, we have our older EcoFlow power stations. Now, these are still great products. Over here, we have the River series, and then the Delta over here.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. Can you tell us more, Sir Japo, about the solar panel?
Sure. Now we have different types of solar panels with EcoFlow. So this right here is the portable solar panel. So as you can see, you can fold it up, take it with you on any trip, and use it to charge all these devices that we have on the table.
Wow, those are such a great collection of products from EcoFlow Philippines. Thank you so much, Sir Japo, for explaining those products to us. Thank you again and have a good one.
You too.
So once again, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is another episode of The H Factor. I'm Harold Bautista, your host, and if you want to know more about the latest tech innovations in the Philippines, follow and subscribe our channel on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter or X. That's The H Factor PH for you. Thank you so much and goodbye for now.